back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a dramatic glam. You can do this for bridal season, competition season, or just to practice just cuz. You could even do it for date night. I'm going to show you guys this look. This look by David something. And it's kind of giving me 2016 vibes, you know? And those videos are coming around. I love how trends come and go. So it's like super dramatic on the cut, on the liner. And then it has the fox eye as well. And some glitter. I'm so excited. On another note though, I am fresh out of contacts. And I called to see if I could get some for the meantime until I can get an eye appointment. And I can't. So I can't get an appointment for another week, and then from there it's gonna take a week or two for the contacts to come in. So I have to wear glasses for the month of August. Ugh, the worst, I hate that. And I'm blind, so can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is laminate my brows down using the NYX brow glue and clear. Next month, Quinn and I are going to Kelowna. We're doing the wineries and the beach, and we got like a nice hotel with a view of the water. I was gonna say, is it an ocean or a lake? I don't know. But anyway, it's gonna be pretty, and I'm excited. So I've already begun to pick out outfits. I'm thinking about maybe doing a mini little vacation series. And I think the trick is I'm not going directly up and I'm not going directly sideways. I'm kind of going at like a 45-degree angle. You know, like tilt your head, break your wrist, do what you gotta do. Lay them hairs down. Then you have to wipe the glue off. Otherwise, it'll ruin your foundation. I just take a concealer brush and wipe onto a makeup remover wipe and use that to get the glue off. Now I'm taking these little iPads that I got on Amazon. I have them linked on my storefront if you would like to get them. And I love that you can angle this any way, really. And so I'm gonna make it a crisp angle, like so. Now I'm gonna prep my eyelid with concealer, and I'm gonna use a small brush to carve out the underneath of my brow and to prep the rest of my lid. Sorry in advance for the handheld mirror you're gonna see in every frame, but it's because I'm blind. So now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm actually gonna omit this crease thing. I don't want to do that. I just wanna do the other part. Taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going in with browns, and I'm gonna do this outer edge of the eye. ABH Soft Glam palette. It's a perfect palette for a beginner. It has all the colors you need for transitioning and a couple good deeper shades to start experimenting with. So I'm going in with orange soda and burnt orange. And I'm just starting on the outer edge of the eye, circular motion, right along the tape, essentially. And then you could sweep a little bit of this into the crease here just to kind of set that concealer. But we're mainly focusing on the outer edge of the eye. And you can even go back and forth like this, and this part can be messy. Like, get right in there, back and forth, fan it out. Now I'm gonna take a more fine tapered brush. I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber and a little bit of Rustic mixed in. And then I'm gonna go along the tape again, in circles and side-to-side sweeping motions, kind of diffusing this into the first browns we did, but not going as far in, because we want to see the light brown. We want this to go from light brown to dark that way. So we're not bringing this darkest brown all the way up. And with these gradual looks, they are easy. They just take time. So don't rush it. Take your time, have fun. To me, painting. Makeup is always just so fun and satisfying, like painting. My face is the canvas, and I get to create something new each time. I don't know, I find it cathartic and satisfying. So I've been already starting to plan our annual Halloween murder mystery party, which we are super excited about. It is always so fun. We invite our best friends and our parents and our family members, siblings, and their spouses. So it's just like all my favorite people. And there's assigned characters and costumes, and everyone goes all out each year. It is just so much fun. Okay, taking that original brush, and I'm just diffusing these two lines where they meet. Circular motions. I'm not sure what to wear to the winery. I've never been to one before. And I don't thermoregulate very well. Like, I'm a hot girl. Like, I run hot. I sweat so easily. So I don't want to wear anything that will, one, show through my sweat. And I will just look like a wet rat. So I don't want to wear something that would show sweat through it. I don't want to wear something too thick. But I can't wear anything too short either. And I'm like, oh, I don't know what to freaking wear. Now I'm taking a fluffy, slightly tapered angled brush, and I'm gonna use that to put the white shade on the rest of my lid. In the Soft Glam palette, it's the shade Tempera. And so I'm just dabbing that on the inner corner of the lid, going up, and then across to where the brown is, the lightest brown. I want it to be super white over here and like more diffused over here. Now I'm gonna take liquid liner. This is ColourPop Numero Uno. Yes, liquid liner. And I'm going right along the edge of the tape. Just doing a skinny wing. Now I like to stop here and take that brush that we were adding the dark brown and just diffuse this out a little bit while it's still wet. Now for the fun part, the glitter. I'm taking some Peaches and Cream glitter base glue, and I'm just dabbing it along the eye here. And I'm gonna pick up those glitter specks, and I'm just gonna dab them lightly over the area. I didn't want them on this thick. I wanted them a little more spaced. Look down and draw a line right along. And then connect this as skinny as you can. How pretty. Love it. Now we're moving on to face. I did my skincare routine already, but I kind of want to go in with some skincare products. I'm also going to go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Now I'm going in with e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. For primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish. Now I underpaint or contour, whatever you want to call it, with a cream contour brush, cream contour palette, and an angled brush. I blend that out with a foundation brush, just in little strokes to buff it into the skin. And you don't have to diffuse it completely because we're gonna go over this with foundation. Now going in with foundation, my own of course, in shade 21. One pump is all it took to achieve this coverage. Now I'm going to go in with concealer under my eye. Now before I go in with setting powder, I'm going to add some cream blush. This is the Pretty Little Thing and Amrezy collab cream blush in shade Autumn. It's my favorite blush, cream blush right now. Oh, it's beautiful. And again, just stippling this into the skin. I absolutely love that my foundation is so easy to work with, especially when blending it with other products, whether it's cream or powder. My foundation does not separate with other products. It's sweat proof and humidity resistant. It's gonna last you all day because it's got that long coverage. This is still a sample from when I was in the sample phase, so I still have like so much left. There's actually, let me check, 25 grams in this. And I did a stories one time where I was looking at all the best powders out there. Huda Beauty, Lise Watier, Anastasia, oh my goodness, so many. And comparing to what you get per gram, or like, you know, each brand, how many grams you get and how much it costs, mine was the best profit, next to Huda Beauty. And the difference between ours is that Huda Beauty's is scented, mine's not, yet. But anyway, it's flashback proof, non-comedogenic, it won't clog your pores, it won't give you pimples. You don't have to worry about flash photography getting ruined. Shout out to any wedding girlies or anyone doing a boudoir photo shoot coming up. You can choose to bake with this powder or you could just set. You can do both. Taking a fluffy brush, I just brush it off. Under the eye, I kind of stipple it in and then brush away. And it just gives like a flawless under eye. Powder bronzer. This is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Adding some highlight now. It's the Sorry Discontinued Amrezy highlight with ABH, but it's my favorite. And this look, you could do nude lip, red lip, really whatever you want. I like to keep a little makeup bag on my vanity of my current faves, just so that like my current faves are super easy to grab. I don't have them packed away. So in my faves kit right now is the Dior Lip Glow in Raspberry, Omrizi lip gloss with Pretty Little Thing in NYC, my brow glue, Clinique mascara, long wear formula. I love it for my bottom lashes, which we will do. What else? Also, this e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine. It is so pretty. Maybe we'll use that today. I don't know. And the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in chocolate, which is what we're gonna do now. All-nighter setting spray. Now I'm gonna do my bottom lashes with that Clinique. Now I'm going in with ColourPop lip liner in Control. Lip balm in Happy. And it's so cute. It has a little heart on it. And it smells so good. It smells like the green Pop Rocks candy. Oh, it's so pretty. And there you have it, full glam for date night, competition, bridal, with gorgeous base skin. Thank you so much for watching. XOXO.